Hi everyone, this is Niloy. Welcome back to our Dart programming language tutorial. In previous tutorial, we discussed about conditional statement so that we can learn about relational operators clearly. So, we will discuss about relational operators in this tutorial. There are few relational operators like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Now we will check all of these operators by coding. So let's start programming. First of all, we will check greater than operator. Here we can see that the value of C is greater than value of A. That means this condition should pass and it should print this statement. So now let's check the output. Here we can see this condition is passed and it print this statement. Now let's check the greater than and equal sign. Basically, this operator check two condition, is both of the values are equal or this value is greater than this value or not. If it finds any of the condition true, then it pass this condition and execute the program under this inside this condition. As we can see, it again print C. If we change the value here, then let's check what happened. Let's change the print statements value here, and we can see that it prints B here because uh, both value of B and A are equal, though B is not greater than A, but it is equal to A. That's why it again pass this condition and print B here. But if we remove equal, then it will print A because B is not greater than A. So we have check greater than operator and greater than or equal to operator. Now let's check less than operator. Here we can see that the value of C is 20 and value of A is 10. So C is greater than A, but we put the condition here C is less than A or not. So it should not execute this condition. It should pass the else condition here. So now let's check what happened. Here we can see that the output is A. Why? Because C is greater than A. So this condition is not passed. That's how the less than operator works. Now let's check the uh, less than or equal. operator. Here again, C is not less than or not equal to A. That's why it prints A here again. Now let's check equal operator. As we can see that the value of B and value of A both are same here. So it should execute this line. Let's run the program again, and yes, we can see that it prints B here. Why? Because both of the value of B and value of A are same here. And now let's check the last operator, not equal to. As we can see, it execute this line. Why? Because the value of C and value of A are not same. That's why this condition return true and it execute this line rather than this portion of our program. That's how all of these relational operators work. We can use this operator in many more sections while coding. Okay, that's it for today. But do not follow only this video series, but also follow other resources, especially official documents and other popular tutorial based websites. Read recommended books to learn in a best way. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.